Very good morning to you all. It is my greatest pleasure to join you this morning for the official media launch of the 2025 Hibiscus Festival, where we'll be crowning the 69th Queen, an event that holds a special place in the hearts of many Fijians and continues to be a proud tradition for our capital city and the nation as a whole. Always been reminded of this fact that the Suba Hibiscus Carnival is the mother of all festival carnivals in our country. Decades of celebration, after decades of celebration, the Hibiscus Festival remains a pillar of cultural pride, community spirit, and civic engagement. Under the guidance of the Suba City Council and the dedicated Hibiscus Executive Committee, we are excited to announce that the Hibiscus Festival carries on this year with renewed energy, bigger plans, and innovative opportunities. The Ministry of Local Government is proud to offer its full support to this important platform that brings people together, showcases talent, and elevates local enterprise. Hibiscus Festival carries a powerful yet elegant slogan, where beauty blooms and Suba shines. This is a call to action, all of us as citizens, businesses, communities, and families to take ownership of our cities, environment, and well-being. Suba is not just the capital of Fiji. It is our shared home, and it deserves our shared responsibility. Importantly, the festival serves as a catalyst for local development. It creates opportunities for small and medium enterprises, commonly known as SMEs, stimulates tourism, and boosts commercial activity throughout the city. The Hibiscus Festival is a space where families, communities, and businesses come together to celebrate Fiji's vibrant social and economic life. Beyond the economic benefit, this platform will raise awareness on fundamental issues pertaining to the socio-economic welfare of our communities and the nation as a whole. This year, we will continue to use the platform of the Hibiscus Festival to amplify public awareness on key national concerns. We will ensure that every moment of this year's celebration also be a moment of education, advocacy, and collective responsibility. To the media partners gathered here today, thank you very much for your presence. I can see most of the main media here this morning. Your role in bringing the festival's message to the people is vital, very important. You help shape the story of Miss Hibiscus Festival, not just as an event, but as a movement of pride, participation, and progress. I would like to thank the Suba City Council, our corporate sponsors, stakeholders, and Suba City Council staff who are working behind the scenes, ensuring that we're going to have a very, not only a good carnival, must make sure that we also have carnival that brings people together. There will also be a lot of opportunities for people to come celebrate freely and without any issues that always come about when always hold important festivals or carnivals like this. Your commitment ensures that Hibiscus remains a festival for the people, which is open, inclusive, and impactful. As we count down to the festival this August, I invite every Fijian to take part, whether as a spectator, participant, or supporter. Let us make the 2025 Hibiscus Festival not only a highlight of our calendar, but a symbol of our national unity, creativity, and collective future. Navalevu, and I wish Hibiscus Festival Committee all the best.